create filters on a dashboard, click on this filter icon and click on the plus icon to add a filter and give the name to that filter. For example, country, accept change, and go to the setting icon, and from the setting icon you can set the filter type, whether the source should be static or from a data set. So we'll select the data sets, and from here you can set the type, display type of the filter. So here we'll select list box, and from the data set we'll select sales.cds, and in the column name we'll select country. We'll go to the link filters and widgets. Here we'll select the layer 1 and tab 1. So under the layer we have, in case if we have multiple tabs, select the tab in which you have a widget on which you would like to apply the filter, and here you can select the filter. Here you can select the widget on which you want to apply the filter and link this with the available column, country. So here you will notice that it has been linked with the column and it is available under the parameter section. Save and exit and go back to filters again. Go to the filter view, click on this plus icon and add to the filter widget. So you will notice that we have a filter widget available on our dashboard now. Save and go to the preview mode, and from this list of selected filters we will select Germany and apply filter, and we will notice the entire table has been updated with Germany. Now same way we will select USA and apply filter, and table has updated with the USA.